drive. First of all, what you have to do is that right click on computer, click on to see here mapping network drive. Okay, MAPPI. Okay, here is not available. Here I'll show you. Here. See here. This here is the one. And this. You see this one? Map network drive. So how to use this one? Okay, so how to use this one? First of all, what you have to do, you have to right click on computer, click on properties. Okay, then here click on advanced system settings. Then here, then this one computer name. Computer name here we can change. Computer name here I'll give Tom. Okay, work group will remain like this. So, okay, okay, clear. Okay, close and restart. The other PC also. Okay. The other PC also. What you have to do? Other PC also here and here. Right click on. Click on properties. Yes, advanced and computer name change. And here I'll give DONY. Okay, clear. Okay, and close. So this is the step to map and close. And that was okay. Start. You can see. Okay. So the password here. Okay. Clear. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I open this one, this PC, this is the one. Okay, so what I'll do here, okay, I'll do here properties. Okay, in this properties, clear. Here you see this one, sharing. Okay, advanced sharing. Okay, so I share this sharing. Okay, share this. Okay, first of all I'm going to yes. Okay, right click it first, then click on properties, click on sharing, then advanced sharing, and share this folder. Okay, permission allow, apply, okay, apply, okay, close. So this part is done. Okay, so what are these things? These are available here. Okay, let me give one here, one text. So done. Okay, so go to that side. Yes, get that. Okay, so here. What I'm going to do is that, okay, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to right click computer, click on, so here, click on map network. Okay, and here what is here is said that, see here example double backslash, what is that computer name, that one, huh? Computer name, see, OM backslash, what is that, that one, user, yes, See here. Come. Okay. Tuh, yang niru, ya yang niru. Manage. See, username of this one is user. Is it? Username of that one is user. But computer name here is what? Dog. You see? Yeah, computer name. So come here. See, what I mean to say is that double backslash, then here this will be your computer name and user name. Got the point? Computer name and username. So computer name there is a Tom. Username is only user. So connect this one and finish. Username is user, USER, password. So here we have only this thing. Is it 1, 2, 3? So here click on. Username is user. Finish. Username. More choice also here. Username. Use a different account. You can use username. Check the spelling of the name, otherwise there might be a problem with the network. Okay, username USER. Drive, I can give any drive. You can give any drive. Z drive is will do. DOM. That's it. You can browse here also. You can check and browse. Yeah. It's not displaying. Change spelling. You can access to. Okay. So if you cannot access, okay, I'm going to share this. It's called software. It's called software. Is it? And then properties. And here sharing. And then sharing. Share this folder. You drive. I'll give you here a name as server. Server. Permission. Allow. Network path will be conclusion. Network path will be Tony/server. Close. Yeah, network path will be, what is that one? Sharing Tony/server. Yeah. See here. Okay. Right click on map network drive. Okay. Here double backslash. What is that one? Tony capital, nah? Tony/server. SERVER. Server. Username is then okay. So your network drive, where is your network? Save. Okay, clear. Okay, so all the important documents you can save here in the server. See, I'm going to save now. Text. Okay, on. So if you want to disconnect this one, you just right click and click on disconnect. So why this is not appearing there? So right click properties, sharing, then here, see here, Tom/D, because the share name is D. Okay, let's go to that side. Okay, so here what we're going to do is that, okay, right click, map network drive, then and here connect, so double backslash Tom Tom slash, that is D. D is stand for the share name. Okay, finish. What is the username? Username and password. See here. Okay, this one. You see, network path. That is the thing. Okay, see network path. Okay, and what I share here is the thing. Tony is there. Okay, so let's go check here. Is there? There. Even that one I save in a network drive. This is a shared drive. This is a server. Huh? Server. See that high I save here. Okay. So, but this one you need a permission. Okay. Clear? Understand? So again, the share name here. What we're going to do is that I'm going to search from here. Search from here also. I can search. That is double strike DOM DOM/D. Enter. Okay. This is it. Okay. Clear?